Yo, what's going on? It is your boy, your homie, BelieveInStephen, back with another video. And as you can see, I'm building my PC today, my very first PC. So let's see how this goes. But before I get into it, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button and the bell so you're notified when I'm dropping more content. Without further ado, let's hope I don't mess up on this. So right now what I'm doing is I'm just taking apart the case so I can work with it a lot easier. Because once you have room, it makes everything a whole lot better. So, Lian Li fans, gotta splooge a little bit. Got it for the connectivity, as you can see here. So as you can see, everything is finished right now. I got intake, one exhaust, and an exhaust up here. It's coming soon, but I'm gonna focus on making sure my motherboard, processor, and everything is done. So without further ado, let's hop into that. So as you can see, I got the Dark Hero motherboard, 32 gigabytes of RAM, 3600 megahertz, clocked at CL16. 500 gigabytes of storage. This is going to be for my OS drive. I have two other storages, which is 2 terabyte for my games and another 1 terabyte for recording and stuff like that. The only reason I'm not installing that right now is because I don't want OS to download or upload on any other drive other than my 500 gigabytes. So once I get into OS and stuff and it's on this drive, I'll install the other 2 drives later. And of course, I have to pair the Dark Hero with my Ryzen 9 5900X, beast of a CPU. So without further ado, let's get into building. So you can take a recording again. All right. Imagine I fucking drop this by accident, bro. $600 down the drain. So when you're dealing with AMD, you do not ever want to touch the bottom. There you go. Yeah. Cool. CPU installed. Nice. Nice. Okay. Not you. I feel you, bro. Understandable. Are you so surprised that this is my first ever PC and I know what the fuck I'm doing? I know what I'm doing. Ain't that crazy? Ain't that crazy? You would think I've done this shit before. Nice. The Dominator Pros, bro. Amazing. Amazing. Go ahead. Go ahead, babe. Oh. See how quick it's flying now? This is pretty much your whole PC right here. How am I doing? Rate me 1 to 10 right now. Are you impressed? Man. That's not fair, bro. A lot of people up on Google how to do this shit. Me, I'm going based on memory. They are professionals, okay? I am not a professional by any means. Oh. Beast of a SSD right here. This was the 500 gig, right? Yes, sir. Ain't that crazy as hell, bro? Almost made a rookie mistake, bro. Good thing I have my trusty cameraman to tell me if I'm messing up or not. Hint, hint. I mean, right, cameraman? Cool. That looks like it is in properly right now. So as you can see, you got the RAM, CPU, and memory installed. Almost messed up on the thermal pad or paste. No, pad rather, not paste. Thermal pad on the SSD, I would have heard a lot from that. Now, before I put it into the case, I will get my CPU cooler. So all I'm doing right now, guys, is my cooler needs these stands, the AM4 stands. So I'm just removing that and putting this in here. This case comes with a middle standoff here, somewhere here. I don't know where, but somewhere here, just believe me. We only have to put in 8 screws instead of 9 screws. So I will get to screwing. Come here, y'all, come here. All right, I got a 1000 watt titanium, 80 plus titanium, SeaSonic, of course, right? Had to go with this. I wanted 1000 watts because I plan to do a little bit of overclocking as well as some little stuff here and there, and I might even water cool this one day because I would really like to try that. Yes, yes, yes. So I know a lot of people say 1000 watts overkill, but I just wanted to rep the brand like SeaSonic, and I just wanted to go with 1000 watts. So maybe this might not even be enough for everything I want. I might have to go to 1200. Just depends on how much the 3080 and all of that just sucks, but we'll see without a doubt, man. Yo, so I just went ahead and installed the CPU cables. The reason I did this is because my CPU cooler is gonna take up a lot of space here. So I wanted to make sure I get the CPU cables in before I put in the CPU cooler. So that's why I took out my PSU, even though I'm not really dealing with that right now. It's just really for the cables. So I'll be back with you once I put in the CPU cooler. All right, as you can see, I know I'm going kind of slow, but I don't have an electric screwdriver, but I got the 3 fans. I'm doing a push-pull on the top. So with this case, I could put 3 more fans up here so we can push, pull, right? So I'm just gonna put this in and I'll be right back with you guys. So the thermal paste I'm using is the Kingpin Cooling because it is one of the best thermal paste out there. I do have Cryonaut as well, but I want to use this thermal paste instead, and I did the spread method because that is the best method that you can use. So I will put this in now. And just like that, everything should be in like so. Hey guys, sorry it's getting kind of dark, but this is what I came up with so far. Everything is cable managed to the best of my ability because I'm not no pro, but that's pretty much how I got it so far. I'm just trying to do my best, but I'm not a pro, so but I kind of got everything. Got to plug this in. That's my fan header there. Had to kind of do it like this because the bends and stuff wouldn't let me make it all nice coming down, but I am trying my best with the cable management, but it's not terrible. It's kind of managed a little bit, but I'm gonna be installing my PSU power supply with the cables. I have extensions, so I'll get to that, but yeah. So I plugged everything in for the most part. Just my GPU now, 3080 Ti, so let's get this thing unboxed and show you what it's like. So, manual and all that stuff, cool, but look at this behemoth of a card. This is the first time I'm ever looking at. God, it's hefty. It looks sexy though. It's super hefty. Hopefully it's not DOA on me, but we should be good. Nice, beautiful card, man. And then this also comes in the here, which is just an anti-sag bracket that doesn't even work with most cases anyway, but don't worry, I got a anti-sag bracket already, but man, sexy. I mean, this thing looks sexy, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna be like Linus and drop my GPU, but hey, that's my GPU, guys. Cool. Let's go. Okay. We got a post. We got a post. I don't even have my look at me quick. We got a post. I don't even have my keyboard and mouse or anything like that.